It's been a physical start to space camp. I think it's time for these 8 to use their brains.
All right, what you guys are gonna be doing is constructing a rocket under a budget that launches an extronaut. Get it? Egg?
Okay, so basically, the space cadets need to build this. Well, just a lot smaller. But just like the Saturn V, the model rockets should have a nose cone, a payload, a long body containing parachute and an engine, and they'll need to fly at least 3 meters high. And the egg-stronaut needs to make it back safely.
I know for a fact it only has to go 3 meters high to pass, but who wants that? You want to go as high as you can to the sky. Bigger risk, bigger engine, more fun.
The cadets have been split into 2 teams. Daniela, Asia, Jack and Sinead are up against Connor, AJ, Finton and Aoife.
Perfect. Let's get started.
I have a question.
Oh, yes.
If you, use different stages, like 2 stages instead of 1, do you get more points?
Ooh, that's a clever question. A 2-stage rocket has an extra engine and should go higher. You do get extra points, but they're harder to build.
You have a potential to get 50 more points, but you also have the potential to lose
it's not
more
right.
points.
It's not right. A 2-stage rocket would definitely be more impressive. It's just that a 1-stage rocket is a lot less risky, and for only 50 more points, I don't think it's worth the risk.
The 2 teams get straight down to designing their rockets. And there are decisions to be made about everything, from the shape of the nose cone to the size of the engine, and they've got to stick to a budget.
Yeah.
Where's the budget thing? I want to look at that.
Sure. So 5,000 is our budget. We're going for the biggest, most powerful rocket, the biggest, most powerful engine, and the medium too. We're aiming for pure power.
If we can get an extra piece of cardboard in here, right, and put 1 piece of cotton wool stretched out around here, it'll sit in there like a nest.
Nest, yeah.
An extra piece of cardboard here, tight, then put this around here like that, glue it all together. Yeah. So that if he wants to see the egg, he can just basically just cut it out because nothing actually sticking to it.
Yeah, the nose cone on top.
Exactly.
I'd say we only need 1 cup. What if we made a little coat for the egg out of packing peanuts?
The #1 aim of every mission is to get your astronauts back to Earth safely. So it's good to see both teams focusing on extreme safety in their capsule design.
Well,
There's a few questionable ideas out there, but I'm trying to guide them on the right path. They're looking pretty good though. I like the communication that's going on between the team and the ideas that they're coming up with.
it was a really smart idea to wrap the packing peanuts around the egg to protect it and to cushion it from any impact. So that was a really good idea from Asia.
Will we do packing peanuts first to make more space?
Yeah.
And then combuds on top?
You see, we want it snug
Very snug.
Snug's above the rug, What?
There was actually good. Their cup is looking this, they were See, their one's actually done right.
They've used so much money in the cyberfront.
I think they're already worried about our payload capsule. Our egg is going to be wrapped up in these little foam packing peanuts. I could hear Connor say that we're doing it right, so I think they're already worried.
What about this corner? Or this paper?
I hear this is class. I think they're getting on a little bit better on their team because it's a much simpler design. We decided to go with the two-stage rocket, so it's a lot more effort, a lot more stress, but hopefully it's going to be all worth it when we build and test our rockets later on in the week.
A one-stage rocket has one engine. The rocket launches, runs out of fuel, and the capsule carrying the little egg-stronaut separates.
Our team was me, Asia, Jack, and Daniela, and we were doing a single-stage rocket. It would keep it simple. The rocket would take off, run out of fuel, the top of it would detach, and then our egg would float safely to the ground. No problems, no complications.
A two-stage rocket has two engines. First, one launches the rocket and separates. Then another engine pushes the rocket even higher. Then the capsule with the egg separates. AJ, Connor, Finton and Aoife are building a two-stage rocket.
And just go up, and then I have to come like that.
I'm not a parachute expert, but I'm good at folding clothes, so you know.
That's not gonna work. One of the edges are way too low. There we go.
The rockets need fins to fly straight, and they have to glue them on. But do they have to use so much glue?
We used an incredible amount of glue for the fins. There's way too much,
We just kind of had the mentality of the more glue the better, we wanted the rocket to stay in one piece and stuff, so you know. put on the glue, like.
Stop gluing the rocket!
Surely this comes out easier.
Construction is very important, especially when it comes to the gluing. If they're not careful, they could glue the wrong things to the wrong things, and the rocket doesn't open, and then you just have basically a missile.
All right, so Frank.
Give me the cup first. I'll hot glue onto the cup, then I'll do
So that's the bottom.
Don't rush, man. Take your time.
This is turning into a classic space race. And at the moment, whoever controls the glue gun is in a position of supreme power.
Mate.
No, they're wasting time. I know what they're doing. They're wasting time so that we don't get stuff. Look at them.
Lads, could you hurry up, please?
We're still on our second layer, man. Don't distract the person with the hot glue gun.
By second layer, do you mean 15 stick?
Yes. 16.
Yeah, I think there's a bit of rivalry over the glue guns.
Is it stuck?
It's
That
better.
is jammed.
That's...
They jammed the hot glue gun.
The teams put the finishing touches on their rockets. And now it's time for a crucial swing test. How does that work? Well, tie the rocket on a string and swing, obviously.
Something that it should.
Like this?
All right, looks like it's flying pretty straight, so stop swinging before you hurt someone.
The swing test could tell us a lot. If those rockets didn't fly straight, maybe one team would have to go back and redesign their rocket.
All right, that looks really good. Yeah, that's fine. Straight.
Yours, I'd say.
Going good. All right, you can stop swinging now.
Both of these rockets look ready for liftoff. It's hard to tell if either design has the edge. The teams pack up their rockets. Next time they see them, will be on the launch pad. Who will blast off and be a high-flying success? And whose dreams will come crashing down? 8 space cadets, 2 teams, and 1 plan. Build the best rocket in the history of Space Camp. First to launch are Asia, Daniela, Jack, and Sinead. They have designed a 1-stage rocket. So one engine launches it before the capsule separates and floats back to Earth with a perfectly intact egg. AJ, Aoife, Connor, and Fintan have built a 2-stage rocket. After the first engine launches the rocket, another one should push it even higher before the capsule separates and floats safely back to Earth. Prepare for liftoff, guys! The rockets stand side by side on the launch pad, but which one will fly higher? And will either bring their egg back to Earth in one piece?
All right, you guys, let's head behind the blast shield.
First to launch is Asia, Daniela, Jack, and Sinead.
All right, guys, are we ready? Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Whoa! Oh my God, it worked! Where did it go? Yes! Oh my God! Yes! Where's the rocket?
But the egg is alive!
No!
We were actually like really happy our egg did well. We didn't know it hadn't cracked, but you know, it landed pretty gently, so we could figure out the egg was probably okay enough.
And we were nervous because there was loads of trees around, but it didn't hit any of the trees, thankfully, and we got it back.
Oh my God! Yes! NASA's gonna want to touch this.
Our team came in quite confident, and we had high expectations for our rocket, and it didn't disappoint us today.
Okay.
Okay,
All right, so
let's have a look.
take off the duct tape slowly and gently, and then we'll see how the egg is.
Looks good to me.
See it? See it?
She's so cold! She's so cold! They're so cold!
That is full points. Congratulations.
Egg-stronaut actually survived, so we were very happy with that.
I was actually very surprised to find our astronaut, egg-stronaut, had survived. Even though, the parachute worked perfectly and everything.
Their one did well, to be honest. I was actually impressed by theirs, because theirs did so good.
The pressure is now on AJ, Aoife, Connor, and Fintan. Can they match or even beat the first rocket?
All right, team 2, you guys ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was a missile!
The rocket launch went terrible.
It didn't go well, but I did kind of expect it.
Well, I launched off, you know, decent and went downhill from there, literally.
I thought our top end of it was really sturdy, but obviously it didn't turn out too well.
It's not all over yet. Maybe the egg has survived. I mean, it might have, right? It is possible. Anything is possible.
I don't even have to say anything because it's everywhere.
I can smell the burning.
Well, there's a piece of it there, there's a piece of it there.
Oh my God.
All over there.
Where did your egg go?
I thought maybe they would pull through and like their rocket would go really high or something, but in the end it didn't work out for them. Their egg exploded, so yeah.
Our rocket, we did a 2-stage one. It didn't really work. Well, no, it did work. It went far. It's like a little missile. It just, and the second stage came off it. It's just, it wasn't as successful as the first group, and the egg wasn't fully intact when we went over to it.
All right, guys, so we had a successful launch and a launch. So team 2, out of a possible 950 points, you got 250 points. Yeah. Good job. Congratulations. You absolutely decimated your egg. And then team 1, out of a possible 950 points, you got 900 points. Congratulations.
What did we lose 50 points?
Yeah. So you get the extra 50 if you would have done a 2-stage.
They should all be proud. One team built a really impressive rocket that completed its mission perfectly, and the other team built a 2-stage rocket and proved that it's really hard to launch a 2-stage rocket.
Won, and we did quite well. Yeah, like 900 points out of 950 isn't that bad.
Theirs did go really well. They only lost 50 points, but that was because they did a 1-stage rocket instead of a 2-stage.
No regrets about going to the 2-stage. Do you know what I mean? You know, we bit the bullet and just took the pain, you know what I mean?
If our 2-stage had worked, we'd have crushed them by a mile.
You know, okay, I was a bit disappointed because the other group did so well in theirs, but, you know, we all have failures, but you just keep moving on and it'll make you a better person.
I would call it a success, guys. You did great.
Thank you.
Thank you.